Hello kids, today we learn Jungle Safari ABCD. A for alligator.
A for alligator.
B for bear.
B for bear.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for flamingo.
F for flamingo.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for hippopotamus.
H for hippopotamus.
I for iguana.
I for iguana.
J for jaguar.
J for jaguar.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for narwhal.
N for narwhal.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for penguin.
P for penguin.
Q for quill.
Q for quill.
R for rhinoceros.
R for rhinoceros.
S for snake.
S for snake.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Atlantic Shargo.
X for Atlantic Shargo.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Dear kids, hope you enjoyed Jungle Safari ABCD. Hello kids, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share with your friends. And more learning videos, do subscribe us.